Hey, what's up everybody? It's been a while since I gave you guys an update on this house on 3rd Street right behind Safeway. We are getting so close to being done. We're within 30 days of actually closing. We got an offer last week that we accepted, and flooring is in. I don't even think drywall was up last time I did maybe drywall was just going in last time I did an update. But we have a lot of the electrical done. We've got the kitchen in. None of the final plumbing's done yet. Here, let me turn this around. We got this nice LVP from Costco, this sandalwood luxury vinyl planking. It's totally waterproof. The reason I went with that is because a week ago I decided I was gonna keep this house as an Airbnb and keep one of the garages for myself for like storage and stuff. The moment I decided that, I got a call a couple days later from an agent who said he's got a buyer and wants it, and the rest is history. So we're under contract now. This room doesn't have a light in it yet, but the other half of the house has a lot of electrical done. We went through, we were going to do carpet in the bedrooms, but we let the buyer decide if they wanted carpet or this LVP. They just wanted the LVP throughout the whole house, so. Hey, Bobby. We're gonna do tile in here, and we've got the tile on site for the flooring. This cabinet's turned out very nice. Granite countertops are in. We've already got the faucet picked out. It's around the house somewhere here. There's the other bedroom. A lot of can lighting. We got some doors in. Down to the basement. I'm not going to go down there, but there's not too much we're doing down there. We're just going to clean it up, paint it. I needed to run to get another box of flooring. We were short just one box. So I got 2 just in case. And my dad's in here tiling. Hey, Dad.
Hey. Who's that? Who that?
It's everybody on Facebook. Look at that shower.
Hey.
Tile style, everyone. It's looking good.
Yeah.
Got this for the backsplash everywhere. We're gonna cut it in half and use it in both bathrooms and the kitchen. And then here's the tile for the bathroom floors right here. Yeah, it's coming along. I think we got a fan already for the master bedroom here. Look at this nice big pantry. For some reason it looks a lot bigger now that you can actually see it and it's not just framed. Yeah, this video doesn't do any justice, but big pantry. And then back here, I think we have light. Yeah. So that crawl space entry, look at how that turned out. Pretty slick. I think only I get excited about crawl space entries and how tight the flooring is. Anyway, sorry I'm shaky hands right now, but I'm excited to be almost done with this house. It's been a long, yeah, we're on 6 or 7 months now. We started in July. It's getting real close. We'll be done probably from here, I would imagine in 2 or 3 weeks. All right, have a good day, guys.